Martin Morales. I'm the founder of Ceviche. I'm an amateur chef. I've been cooking since I was 11 years old, and I was born in Peru. For the last 10 years, I've been dreaming about creating or starting something like ceviche. I was just frankly very frustrated and upset that there wasn't a great Peruvian restaurant in London, and I thought it was a crime that the city that I've been living in the last 15 years, where we claim as Londoners, I'm Peruvian but I'm also a Londoner, we claim as Londoners to be one of the best in the world for restaurants, hasn't got a great Peruvian restaurant. So 2 years ago I just said enough's enough. I'm going to do something about it. There's a problem to fix, we've got to fix this. I quit my job and set about almost making our family bankrupt, but also doing pop-up restaurants and supper clubs and asking people on Twitter if they thought what we were doing was cool. And fortunately, they did. And so here we are. You have to follow your gut all the time so you can enjoy the experience. And as long as you know what you love and in touch with what you love, then you can enjoy that ride. I think it's terrible that our colleges, schools, universities are not teaching people to start their own small enterprises. You do what you love, but also you have to survive. Yeah, I mean that's one of the most rewarding things, is being my own boss. I've got certain skill sets which I've brought together in this sector, which I think fits me as a person beautifully, really well, which I'm thriving on and enjoying. It's amazing, and it says tumultuous. I've got 2 kids, and it says tumultuous and painful to start this business. And it's a bigger roller coaster as when you have children. Yeah, I mean, I wanted them to watch Daddy create something from scratch so they could learn how hard it is. So yeah, they're watching all this and they're going, yeah, it's pretty cool.